Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop A2.
E6.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop E7.
F. Store.
Castle's kingside.
King H1.
Queen C7.
Bishop D3.
Knight B7.
Queen A2.
Knight C5.
Bishop D2.
B5.
B. Store.
Knight captures on D3.
C. Captures on D3.
Bishop B7.
Queen A3.
Rook AC8.
Queen G3.
Rook Fe8.
Knight C2.
Knight D7.
F5.
Bishop F6.
F. Captures on A6.
F captures on E6.
Well, A1.
Queen D8.
Well, captures on C8.
Queen captures on C8.
Bishop H6.
Queen D8.
Bishop A3.
Queen E7.
Bishop F. Store.
Knight E5.
Knight F3.
Knight f7.
Rook c1.
e5.
Bishop d2.
d5.
Heir captures on d5.
Bishop captures on d5.
Knight c3.
Queen b7.
Rook f1.
Bishop c6.
a3.
Rook d8.
Knight a1.
Queen e7.
Queen a3.
e4.
Queen b6.
Queen b7.
Queen captures on b7.
Bishop captures on b7.
Knight a2.
E captures on d3.
Knight f4.
Knight e5.
Knight a6.
Rook d6.
Knight c5.
Bishop a8.
Knight f3.
Knight captures on f3.
G captures on f3.
Bishop d4.
King g2.
Rook g6 check.
King h3.
Bishop d5.
Bishop f4.
Bishop c3.
Rook c1.
d2.
Bishop captures on d2.
Bishop captures on d2.
Rook d1.
Rook d6.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.